a harmonious place, an enterprising city. Jiangsu Yixing Economic Development Zone. All over the capital of Bacaro flowers flow wantonly. The beautiful scenery of Yixing is matchless in the south of Yangtze River. Yixing, with a history of thousands of years and a prosperity of hundreds of years, is working leisurely towards you from the innermost part of the history, accompanied by wonderful music all the way. Here you can see unrivaled golden Bacaro, splendid forests of bamboos, exceptional fountain and mellow wine, and what's more, the profound friendship of the broad-minded Yixing people. Here, a ravishingly charming wonderland, Jiangsu Yixing Economic Development Zone is advancing bravely with full vigor and vitality. With the principle of high-quality planning and high-standard construction, carefully planned by the general planners from Suzhou Industrial Park, the provincial-level Yixing Economic Development Zone of Jiangsu Province, it is mainly composed of three parts, namely the Industrial Park, the Logistics Park, and the supporting park of administration and business. By adhering to the principle of establishing the zone with industries and strengthening the zone with science and technology, we devote ourselves to building a system of 4 enterprising platforms from incubation, research and development to pre-production test and large-scale production. By sticking to the ideal of ecology, life, and production, we spare no efforts to build a key industrial park with high-tech industries and a high-end service industry with unparalleled development potential in the Yangtze River Delta region. Yixing Economic Development Zone is located at a juncture of the 3 provinces of Jiangsu, Zhejiang, and Anhui. It is the geometrical center of the city groups of Shanghai, Nanjing, and Hangzhou. Here, expressways, railways, airports, seaports, river ports, and water transport form a 3-dimensional network of communication lines. The intercity urban railways between Shanghai, Nanjing, and Hangzhou under construction will reduce the distance between Yixing and the big cities in the Yangtze River Delta region to within 1 hour's drive when they are open to traffic in 2010. Yixing Tongguanshan Pumping Water Power Station, which is the biggest regional power grid in China, and Hengshan Reservoir with first-class drinking water, modern waterworks, natural gas, thermal energy, and a sewage disposal center guarantee production of enterprises in an all-round way. Yixing Economic Development Zone has rich human and land resources and a favorable business environment. With low costs and high-efficient services, we are dedicated to bringing foreign investors most valuable returns. A complete set of services, a one-stop examination and approval mechanism, and the whole set of foreign affairs units such as the Customs Office, Bureau for Import and Export Inspection and Quarantine, the Foreign Exchange Settlement Center, and the Entry and Exit Office provide all-weather support for the development of enterprises. Yixing boasts high-level urban roads, agreeable living space, the biggest urban ecological park in East China, a prosperous business district, a modern physical training center, and schools with top-notch facilities. All in all, it has the optimal housing environment with a moderate scale and a modern flavor with perfect blending between water and greenery. By sticking to integration between domestic capital and foreign capital, we spare no effort to build a zone with special industries in the Yangtze River Delta region and set up a strategic layout with advanced manufacturing industry and a high-efficient service industry as the core. We are developing such rising industries as photoelectric industry, new energy sources industry, new materials industry, and precision machinery industry, which will hold a strategic height of science and technology and take the leading position in the future. We actively foster a service system that coordinates with various industries and industrial parks. There are such modern service industry facilities as the Customs Through Port, Bounded Logistics Park, Export Processing Zone, Wonder Logistics, and Qishan Resort in Yixing Economic Development Zone. Here, the advantage of industrial grouping is all the more distinct. It is an exceedingly elegant place and an oasis of industries in the area south of the Yangtze River. The three pillars of talents, services, and brands form a highly efficient investment environment. Thanks to its superiority endowed by nature, we strive to build a comprehensive industrial park with international competitive edge and a new modernized urban area with the characteristics of mountains and rivers. Yixing Economic Development Zone boasts favorable climatic conditions, geographic advantage. In this miraculous and rich land, the pragmatic, enterprising, and broad-minded people of the development zone are willing to create a glorious future hand in hand with you.